If you're looking to understand how to use the Rule of 55 to make early withdrawals from your 401k without facing penalties, you're in the right place. Many American retirees aren't aware of this strategy, which can provide significant flexibility for those who need access to their funds before the typical age of 59-12. This could be the perfect solution for your situation if you're under 59-12 and looking to avoid the steep 10% penalty that comes with early 401k withdrawals. Stick around until the end because I'll also share some tips that could protect your retirement wealth far better than traditional 401k withdrawals. Before we dive into how the Rule of 55 works, let me quickly mention that if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, there's a free gold IRA guide in the description that thousands of Americans have used to safeguard their savings. Click the first link now to grab your copy. It's a game changer. Now, let's jump into the Rule of 55. This rule applies to individuals who are 55 or older when they separate from their employer or retire. It allows you to start withdrawing funds from your 401k without that dreaded 10% early withdrawal penalty. You can access the money you've saved without penalties, but keep in mind you will still pay regular income tax on those withdrawals. However, there's an important detail to remember. The Rule of 55 only applies to the 401k or 403b associated with your current or former employer. If you roll over your 401k into an IRA before reaching 55, you'll lose eligibility for this rule. So, if you're planning to take advantage of the Rule of 55, it's best to leave your 401k where it is or transfer it to a new 401k with a new employer, if that's an option. This rule can be a lifeline for those who need access to funds in early retirement or between jobs. It allows you to bridge the gap until you're 59-12 and can take penalty-free withdrawals from a broader set of retirement accounts. If you're a retiree looking to get access to your savings early, this is one of the most useful strategies to consider. But here's the twist. While the Rule of 55 is great for avoiding that early withdrawal penalty, it doesn't address the long-term growth of your savings. The reality is, once you withdraw from your 401k, that money is no longer growing in the same way. If you have substantial savings, especially if you've accumulated 100k or more in your 401k, you might want to think beyond just withdrawing from your 401k. A gold IRA could be a safer, more stable option for protecting your wealth, especially in these uncertain times. If you're concerned about protecting your assets from inflation and market volatility, transferring some of your savings into a gold IRA can ensure your retirement funds stay secure and even grow. Many people don't realize that traditional 401k accounts are vulnerable to market downturns, but gold IRAs are a way to shield your wealth from market swings while still benefiting from tax advantages. In conclusion, the Rule of 55 can be an excellent option for accessing your 401k without penalties if you're 55 or older and have separated from your employer. Just keep in mind, you'll still face regular income tax, and you should consider how your withdrawals might impact your long-term savings. If you're thinking about early retirement or need funds for a transition period, this rule is something to explore. But don't forget, if you want to protect your retirement from the ups and downs of the market, gold IRAs provide a rock-solid solution. If you have 100k or more in your IRA or 401k, or even 5M plus in savings, consider checking out the free gold IRA guide linked below. It's tailored for American retirees and can show you how to protect your hard-earned savings in the next 2 weeks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your free guide.